When you're ready to either trace some of your favorite patterns onto some heavier paper or start drafting and creating your own patterns, but you're not quite ready to order a whole roll of pattern paper, you start looking for it everywhere, don't you? Now, I know some people used to use newspaper, but that rubs off on everything. You can find pieces here and there inside of packaging that you can use, but one of my favorite places to look is inside of a wrapping paper. Now, I totally have made patterns on the back side of wrapping paper. If you have some you don't like, feel free to do that, but I'm talking about the inside part. When you get down to the end, sometimes it's a tube, and sometimes you get this little piece of construction paper that's just waiting for you to use it for something else. So it's not huge, it's maybe about 14 inches and maybe about 30 inches, but you know what, I can make some stuff out of this. So how do you get it flat? You just roll it up a different way, that's all. So the short way is going to be the easiest way to roll it up. So I'm going to start rolling it inside of itself, but I'm going to do it from the short end, not from the long end. I'm going to roll it as tight as I can without folding it. Let me say that while I'm not making noise. I'm starting from the short end, but I'm going to roll it as tight as I can without making a crease or a fold in it. Alright, when I let it go, it's going to still curl up, but less than it did before. So now I want to roll it the opposite way. So I just rolled it, let me show you. Alright, so you can see what I'm doing. So I just rolled it up this way, and now I'm going to roll it up the opposite way. Same thing, I'm going to roll it as tight as I can without making a crease in it. I'm going to do it one more time. I'm going to see if it's loose enough that I can roll it back long way, opposite of the way it was wanting to be rolled up. Oh yeah, that's gotten a lot looser. All right. I'm going to do it the opposite way, so I'm going to take this edge and roll it right back on itself. So it takes a couple of minutes of manipulating, but now I have a nice piece of heavy construction paper here that has no purpose except now it's ready for me to make a pattern piece on it. I hope you find this helpful. Please join me for more tips and tricks for everything sewing and pattern making. I'm Jessie from Belle by Jessie. Please subscribe or follow or like if you're not already doing it, or all three. That would be great. You can find more information about sewing and pattern making here and everywhere online. You can find me in all the places at Belle by Jessie. There's an extra E on the Belle, not on the Jessie. And I look forward to do more sewing room tips, tricks, and actual sewing with you again soon.
And also like and subscribe. Yeah, so like and subscribe.
Thanks, boys.